nature. Didn't see you come in. It's beautiful here. Look at this place. Wow. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I don't have to be awake to appreciate nature's splendor. We need to figure out where the heck we are, because it turns out I think we may have gone a little off track. Jawbone Canyon. Wait a minute. I know where we are! Yes! Yeah. We took the South Fork when we could have taken the North Fork, which is why we looked like we were south of the OHV area. Yeah. Because we are. But it's okay. The main road's right there. We'll just take it and then we'll get on another road and then we'll be fucking good. Boom! Today we are headed to the fabled Alabama Hills, renowned among overlanders and off-roaders alike for its excellent terrain. We are going there to meet with our caravan, which should be much easier than the last time I met with a caravan. If you've seen the first season, you know that was a little tricky. And it should be a really easy journey up 395 on the eastern side of the Sierras. We'll make it to Lone Pine, California, and then head up into them hills. But we can totally, so let's buy more food today. Buy more food. You wanna buy more food? We'll buy more food. Susie. Just buy more food. You want more food, you buy more food. I taught him to make a fire last night. That kind of thing. We're gonna be fine. Look, paved road. 3, 2, 1.
Civilization.
Woo! Yeah, just like that.
Just like that.
Both ways.
Remember to check both sides.
Look at that blue mountain there.
It's pretty weird.
It's really windy here in Lone Pine, California, and I've just met up with most of the caravan. We got Phelan here. Hattie and Tucker over there.
Oh, mountains, Gandalf!
Mountains! Check this shit out.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Feels good to be a part of a caravan.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody ready?
Here we go.
And we're also looking for a really sheltered campsite because we were on the top of a hill last night, so...
Sounds good to me, guys. This is awesome. Everybody's making fun of me because I think it's exciting to air down my tires for the first time. Fuck the haters. This is gonna be dope. Sick.
Yeah, I mean, like yesterday we were like totally fine.
The trick is like we change our altitude so much.
This is so smooth now. This is definitely the way to go. Oh. Yes, dude, this is what's up.
I wanna feel that way again. 28 days, all of it. I didn't know what to say when I saw you there. You looked out of place. There's a color in your eyes. Inside I felt like maybe it's the right time.
The sun is so hot, but the wind is so cold that I can't tell if I'm wearing too many clothes or I should be wearing no clothes.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we gotta figure out a better system.
I think we just have like 10 pounds more ice.
Oh my God, there's so much ice. It's 3 o'clock, we got nothing better to do than carry coolers. We have a lot of
I
ice.
feel like there's only one amount of ice to have, which is too much.
Which is too much ice?
Or else you don't have enough.
Amy, how did you guys find us?
The satellites.
You used satellites?